Did you know there are just 5 bodyweight exercises that can fix most of the physical problems people deal with today? I'm talking about knee pain, tight hips, weak shoulders, bad posture, all of it. And the best part? You don't need a gym. You can do all of this at home. So let's go through them one by one. 1. Reverse Nordic curl. Let's start with something most people have never even tried, the reverse Nordic curl. It might look simple, but this is one of the best exercises you can do for your knees and your quads. If you've ever felt pain going upstairs, squatting down, or just tightness in the front of your legs, this directly targets that. Here's how you do it. Kneel on the floor with your body upright. Keep your hips pushed forward. Now slowly lean back, keeping your body in a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Go back only as far as you can control. Then use your quads to bring yourself back up. Start with 3 to 5 slow representatives. That's it. And don't underestimate it. Even a small lean will feel tough at first. What makes this exercise so powerful is that it strengthens your quads in a stretch position. That's something most exercises don't do, but real-life movements require it, like walking downhill, running, or controlling your body when you land. Stick with this, and your knees will feel stronger and more stable over time. 2. Dead hang. Next up is a dead hang, one of the easiest and most effective things you can do for your upper body. If you sit a lot, or your back and shoulders always feel tight, this is a must. All you need is something to hang from, a pull-up bar, a sturdy frame, anything safe overhead. Start by just hanging and letting your body relax completely. This is called a passive hang. Stay there for about 20 to 30 seconds. Let your shoulders rise, let your spine stretch out. Then, once that feels comfortable, switch to an active hang. Now you gently pull your shoulder blades down and engage your upper back while still hanging. It's a small movement, but it makes a big difference. Try to alternate between the two and build up to about a minute total. This helps decompress your spine, improve shoulder strength, and even builds grip, all in one simple move. 3. Full range push-up. Now let's talk about push-ups, but done properly. Most people rush through them and only do half the movement. That's where they lose all the benefits. Instead, focus on full range. Start in a normal push-up position. As you lower yourself, go all the way down until your chest touches the ground. Don't rush it. At the bottom, let your shoulder blades spread naturally. Then push back up and finish strong by pushing your shoulders forward at the top. Even if you can only do 3 or 4 representatives like this, that's perfectly fine. This version works your chest, shoulders, arms, and core, but more importantly, it trains your shoulders to move the way they're supposed to. Over time, this helps fix posture and reduces that tight, rounded shoulder feeling. 4. 90/90 hip switch. Now we move to the hips, an area where most people are really stiff without realizing it. The 90/90 hip switch is one of the best ways to fix that. Sit on the floor with one leg in front of you and one behind, both bent at 90 degrees. Sit up straight. Now slowly rotate your legs to the other side, switching positions. The key here is control. Don't rush it, and try to keep your upper body upright. Do about 10 to 15 slow representatives on each side. If this feels difficult, that's actually a good sign. It means you're working on areas that need improvement. This movement helps with hip mobility, balance, and even reduces strain on your lower back. 5. A to G split squat. Last one, and probably the most complete lower body exercise here, the A to G split squat. This one works your knees, hips, and ankles all at the same time. Get into a split stance with one foot forward and one knee on the ground behind you. Now slowly drive your front knee forward over your toes while lowering your back knee toward the floor. Stay upright, move slow, and keep your front heel planted. Pause at the bottom for a second, then come back up. Start with 5 representatives on each leg. This exercise might feel challenging at first, but it's extremely effective for building strength and mobility where most people are weak. Routine. Now here's how to put it all together. Reverse Nordic. 3 to 5 representatives dead hang. 30 to 60 seconds push-ups. As many clean representatives as you can. 90 and 90 switches. 10 to 15 each side to G split squats. 5 per leg. Do 2 rounds. That's it. It'll take you about 15 to 20 minutes. If you stay consistent with this, even just 4 times a week, you'll start to feel a real difference. Less stiffness, better movement, stronger joints. And the best part is, you don't need to be in shape to start. Just begin where you are, keep it simple, and stick with it. I prefer this response.